Hello there everyone and welcome to another video coming from your literature teacher vlogger Carthelyn C. Adahar or Carth Ads. So I'll be giving you another poem to be discussed today, and it's pretty exciting because it comes from Region 6, which is Panay region, which is also called as Western Visayas in the Philippines. So it is composed of Iloilo, Aklan, Antique, Capiz, Guimaras, and Negros Occidental. So the poem that we are going to hear is titled Tay, Pauli na, Bayai ang Saudi. So you notice that I changed my intonation, and that's because of the languages that can be found in Region 6, which we have Kinaraya, we also have Hiligaynon, Aklanon, Capiznon. So you see, those are Visayan languages in that region. So this poem is written by Eugenio M. De Pablo, and let us listen to the reading, and let's also witness how my student read the poem.
Tay, paulit na. Biyayang Saudi. Si nanay nagamasakit, nagalala, nagagrabe. Nagapakonsulta siya sa mga diskuhan. Kaupot ni kumpari mo, Bestre. Nagapa-admit siya sa balay matyungan. Charity kag kung iya baladian. Ang atong balay, nasadto mabakod. Nagaamat na hilay. Ang magpagkonsini nga haligi, subong nagagabok, nagahuyang. Tay, paulit na. Ang Saudi biyai, si nanay tabangi.
So there you have it. So I believe that everyone can relate to this poem because we might have relatives who have gone abroad, like they went to Saudi. It can be a father or a mother. Every Filipino family can relate to this because we have some relatives and friends who went to Saudi, and we know that the job there, especially the income that the family receives, is actually very inviting. Okay, so before we proceed, for those who haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do. I'll be giving you informative content like discussion, especially on poetry, and we need to see this. We have to realize as Filipinos that there are very good poems coming from different regions in the Philippines, and I believe that this is very much applicable to one subject in the senior high, which is 21st century literature. Although I'm not a senior high teacher, I'm a college professor, but I'm a literature major, and this is my love, particularly on poetry. So I'm sharing this one to you. So we are going to have our discussion. And in the discussion, I'm going to speak in English because I intend our interpretation or analysis to be witnessed by foreigners. I learned that there is a subject on Visayan language abroad, like the author, for example, of the book The Untold Stories of Camiguin Island. He learned Visayan in London because it is a subject that is offered, and in the US it's also offered, Visayan language. Okay, you see, so many are interested in our language, so we might as well love it and talk about it, right? So I believe that this video can reach other parts of the world, especially for those who want to learn Visayan. That's why the discussion will be in English. All right, so let's take a look at the first stanza of the poem. Tay, pauli na, bayai ang Saudi, si nanay nagamasakit, nagalala, nagagrabe. So we think that the child is telling his or her father to come home Okay, so I will just use his because the reader earlier was a male student, so I will just say his. No, so the persona here can be a son. Okay, or of course it can also be a daughter. So the persona is a child. Okay, and the father of the persona went abroad, particularly in Saudi Arabia for work, and this child is telling his father to come home. Pauli na, come home. Bayai ang Saudi, so leave Saudi because the mother or nanay is sick. Okay? At this point, we don't know yet what kind of sickness. But it's worst. Okay? Nagalala, nagagrabe. So it's getting worse. Okay. However, in the second stanza, we learn that it's not really a physical illness like somebody is in the hospital because you have here, nagapakonsulta siya sa mga diskuhan. So, the mother goes to disco houses. Okay, so leisure or probably bars, no? But diskuhan, that's where you will be dancing, right? Okay. Kaupod ni kumpare mo bistre. So, the companion of the mother in going to these disco houses or having entertainment or pleasure is the close friend. No, kumpare is a close friend. Your close friend, the name is bistre. Okay, so that's the only line that we are told about. No, we don't know if the mother has this relationship with kumpare mo bistre or is she having this adultery. We don't know. Okay, so it's like just it's only that. No, that's the beauty of poetry because it will only show us. Okay, it will show rather than tell. No, that's one characteristic of good poetry: show rather than tell. Okay, so it's only showing us that the mother is going with the friend named bistre, and to use the exact words when you put somebody in the hospital, okay, you say nagapa-admit. Okay, so it's very consistent to the sickness that is introduced in the first stanza, nga nagalala, nagamasakit, something like that. So nagapa-admit, nagapa-admit siya sa balay madjungan. So that's where you play mahjong. Okay, so the mother is there playing mahjong. Charity kag pong ang iya balatian. Okay, so like her case is she is a charity case. Okay, so she needs help, charity help. Ang aton balay, so our house nga sadto mabakod, nagaamat-amat na hilay. So our house is getting destroyed, something like that. Okay, now in the Philippines we call the father as haligi ng tahanan. Okay, yeah, it sounds physical, no? Physical, you are the haligi. Okay, so the father here is the haligi. Okay, the post of the house. But where is the father now? In Saudi Arabia. That's why their house is getting destroyed or deteriorated, something like that. So it may not be physically that their post is getting destroyed, but it's their entire home. Okay, house is something that's physical, but I think it refers here to home, like their home, no, is not that solid anymore. Okay, because the foundation, the post is not here but in Saudi Arabia. Okay, so the haligi, it's mentioned here, no? Ang mapag-on sini nga haligi sobrang nagagabok. So nagagabok, okay? Nagahuyang. So nagahuyang is weak. Nagagabok, what is nagagabok? Weekend, okay? Nagagabok, weekend, okay? Similar to nagahuyang. So the ending part, tay pauli na ang Saudi bayai si nanay tabangi, okay? So I perceive that this is some kind of a letter written by the son or the daughter to the father, requesting the father to go home so that their family problem can be solved. Okay, so I believe really that this is very universal, and it does not apply only to fathers going abroad. It can also be applied to mothers going abroad. So when the mother is abroad, probably the father here who receives the money will not will not be using it in the right way, like just going to Majungan or whatever vice. Okay, so it's talking about vices in general, while the other partner is working so hard abroad. Okay, so that's really a reality here in the Philippines. So there is a social issue here, and yeah, we cannot blame the parents for going there, because they just want the best for their children, because they believe that um, there's a higher income when they go abroad. But this is really the consequence. Like, there is a possibility that we have broken homes. Okay, so when a partner, when a parent would decide to go abroad, so yeah, it is really better to discuss matters before going there, and promise to each other to be faithful. Okay, and because it's the children who will be suffering. Okay, yes, the children may be getting all the material things, and they can go to good schools, but this can be a consequence. Okay, so I hope that with this poem, we are again reminded that yeah, this is a real issue that we have here in the Philippines, that a parent will go abroad, and the result is that the children are left here, and then they are the ones who observe what the other parent is doing. Okay, so I hope that you like the video that I presented today on the Thai pauli na bayai ang Saudi. So if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do, because I'll be giving you informative content like discussion on poetry, which is, I think, very rare. Nobody, as far as I know, nobody is really dealing on this, on poetry analysis, particularly on local poetry. Thank you very much for watching this episode, and I hope that you also watch other videos that I made on local poetry, like I made Gikan sa Babayeng Bilbilon. Okay, so a woman who has a large tummy, and then another poem on very famous already, Balaki Kuday Samtang Gasakay Tag Habal Habal. Okay, so many other local poems that I'm going to feature. So again, thank you very much, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye.